Welcome to my channel, TechCrest. Here we review the latest tech products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Before proceeding to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started.
In this episode, we will talk about new Apple Vision Pro VR. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. Vision Pro can transform any room into your own personal theater. Expand your movies, shows, and games up to the perfect size while feeling like you're part of the action with spatial audio. And with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can enjoy stunning content wherever you are, whether that's a long flight or the couch at home. Vision Pro is Apple's first 3D camera. You can capture magical spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D, then relive those cherished moments like never before with immersive spatial audio. Your existing library of photos and videos looks incredible at remarkable scale. And panoramas wrap around you, making you feel like you're standing right where you took them. Vision Pro makes it easy to collaborate and connect wherever you are. FaceTime video tiles are life-size, and as new people join, the call simply expands in your room. Within FaceTime, you can also use apps to collaborate with colleagues on the same documents simultaneously. A singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass acts as an optical surface for the cameras and sensors that view the world. It flows seamlessly into a custom aluminum alloy frame that gently curves to wrap around your face while serving as an attachment point for the light seal. Built on the foundation of macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, VisionOS enables powerful spatial experiences. Control Vision Pro with your eyes, hands, and voice. Interactions feel intuitive and magical. Simply look at an element, tap your fingers together to select, and use the virtual keyboard or dictation to type. Privacy and security built in. Like every Apple product and service, Vision Pro was designed to help protect your privacy and keep you in control of your data. It builds on the foundation of existing Apple privacy and security features with new technologies like Optic ID, a secure authentication system that uses the uniqueness of your iris. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.